Hey everyone, check out the Cosy House Collection 4-piece oven mitt and pot holder set designed for serious cooks. These gloves are made from flexible, durable silicone that resists heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for grilling, baking, and cooking. The textured surface ensures a non-slip grip, so you can handle hot pans and dishes safely and confidently. Unlike cotton mitts, these are steam-resistant and waterproof, protecting your hands from burns and scalds. They also cover your forearms to prevent flare-up injuries while grilling outdoors. Comfortable and long-lasting, this set offers heavy-duty durability without sacrificing flexibility. If you want reliable kitchen protection that feels great, this set is a smart choice. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.